In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view an option chain in TradingView, a vital step for any trader looking to delve deeper into options analysis. Let's embark on this journey together, and I'll guide you through each aspect you need to know, ensuring you're well prepared to navigate this powerful trading tool. First, start by opening a chart for any instrument you wish to analyze. This could be a stock index or any asset you are interested in trading options on. When you have your chart open, move your attention to finding the Option Chain button. TradingView often places this button in the bottom right corner of the chart window or somewhere within the chart panel itself. It's specifically designed to give you quick access without disrupting your current view. Once you've located the button, next let's ensure you're examining the correct underlying asset on TradingView. For this, make use of the symbol search box positioned at the top left corner of the platform. By entering the ticker symbol here, say for a particular stock option, you'll align your view with the correct asset in focus. With your desired instrument confirmed, click on the Option Chain button. This action might open up a new panel or expand an existing menu linked to the display of options data. Don't hesitate to adjust the view to suit your preferences and allow all pertinent information to be visible. Now, you'll be navigating through the option chain itself. Start by selecting an expiration date from those available at the top of the chain because each contract has a set expiry. This choice will refine the list of option contracts to those due for expiration on your chosen date. The options chain is structured with call options typically on one side and the put options on the other, neatly divided by the strike prices running through the center. For each of these contracts, there's a significant amount of detail to examine. Pay close attention to the bid and ask prices, which reflect what buyers and sellers are prepared to accept. Implied volatility, or IV, is another crucial metric as it gauges the market's projection of future price swings. The Greeks, delta, gamma, theta, vega, and rho, offer deeper insights into how option prices react to various factors. Additionally, observe open interest and volumes, which tell you how actively traded each strike price is. To make the most of TradingView, you may wish to connect a brokerage account for live trading or practice using their paper trading simulator. Familiarize yourself with the implied volatility chart within the option suite for a visual take on volatility term structure. And if you're keen on strategizing, the Strategy Builder tool in TradingView is invaluable for visualizing, backtesting, and comparing different option strategies, leveraging real-time data to sharpen your trading acumen. That wraps up our overview on viewing an options chain in TradingView. With these insights, you'll navigate options with more confidence, ready to explore and strategize within this dynamic environment. Happy trading!